Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your Apple Watch has the latest watch OS and your iPhone is nearby with Bluetooth active. Open the activity or fitness app on the watch and sign into your Apple ID if prompted. This links data to iCloud. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy, Motion, and Fitness and enable fitness tracking, then open Health to allow data sharing. Once done, wear the watch snugly. Accurate heart rate and motion sensing rely on good contact. Next, you configure the detailed metrics that matter. Open the activity app on the watch or fitness on iPhone to set move, exercise, and stand goals. Adjust daily calorie targets based on your activity level. Then enable continuous heart rate and automatic workout detection so the watch logs sessions reliably. Pick specific workout types for more precise metrics. Make sure complications and a focused watch face show steps, calories, and heart rate. This gives you instant feedback during the day. Finally, you review and finalize. Open Fitness and Health to inspect trends, workouts, and highlights. Look for daily rings closing and consistent heart rate traces. If data hasn't synced, first toggle Bluetooth, then force quit fitness, or restart both devices to re-establish sync. Make sure the watch sits snug. If heart rate or steps look off, recalibrate by doing a steady 20-minute outdoor walk with the workout app open. If problems persist, update software and contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.